What's going on, guys? This is me Mehdi Shakil and you are watching SSTec tutorial. So guys, in today's video I'm going to show you that how you can create a email account under any domain using the Namecheap dashboard and Namecheap web hosting. Here you can see I have a domain named techgearbd.com. Now by default it already had an email account for admin. Now I want to create a new email account called contact@techgearbd.com under this domain on Namecheap. So let me show you how to do that. So first of all, what you need to do, you have to log into your Cpanel or the web hosting panel. From the Namecheap, you can click on this logo or icon to go to your Cpanel. Now from here, what you need to do, scroll down a little bit and come to this section, email. Then from here, click on email accounts. And here you can see I have couple of email under this mehdi.com domain. Now to create a new email account under a new domain, click on create. From here, click on domain and select your desired domain name. I'm going to select techgearbd.com. Then type a username for your email account. Here I'm going to type contact and the end will be @techgearbd.com. Then click on set password now and type a password for your email account. Now after typing the password, click on create. And guys, here you can see we have created a new email account named contact@techgearbd.com. Now to log in or access this email account, click on check email. Then click on open your inbox. This option, click on open. And guys, here you can see we have our email account ready to use. Now, if you want to use this email account on your mobile phone or any device, click on connect device and it will give you all the option you need to use all of this or log into your email account from any device, like the username, incoming server port address, outgoing server port address, and you have to use the password. So guys, like this you can create an email account under a new domain or any domain from your Namecheap web hosting or dashboard. So guys, that's all for today. Thanks for your watching.